Good morning, students. In the previous class, we study about the photosynthesis and the necessary conditions for the photosynthesis, and we see the activity of chlorophyll. Now, in this class, we study how the plants obtain carbon dioxide. As we earlier studied in class 9, it is about the stomata. Stomata are the tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. For massive amount of gaseous exchange takes place in the leaves through these pores for the process of the photosynthesis. But it is important to note that exchange of gases occur through the surface of stems, roots, and leaves as well. Since large amount of water can also be lost through these stomata, the plant closes these pores when it does not need carbon dioxide and photosynthesis. Now this is the structure of stomata. In the stomata, two guard cells are present. When these guard cells swell, it means water inflows in guard cells. They swell and the stomatal pore is open, and the gaseous exchange takes place from these pores. And when the water is evaporated, these guard cells are shrink and stomatal pores are closed, and no gaseous exchange takes place. Now, in the activity number 6.2, it shows that carbon dioxide is necessary for the photosynthesis. Now, what we do in this activity? In this activity, we take two potted plants. First of all, both two plants are kept into the dark room for 3 to 4 days. Same, so that stored starch is used up. Now place into the sunlight. And what we do? In the first potted plant, and this is the second potted plant, both are covered with a glass chamber. This is a glass chamber. And in one potted plant, we put the KOH. What is KOH? In a china dish. KOH, potassium hydroxide, in a china dish. And in this potted plant, we do not use china dish and no KOH. And cover it with the glass plates, jars, both. And put them and use the Vaseline to seal the jars to all around, and put seal these with the help of Vaseline. And after 6 hours, show the test just before for iodine test. What we do in the test? First, we boil the leaf into the water, then in alcohol with the help of water bath, then again rinse with the water, then again use the iodine test. We saw the leaf in the pot in which the KOH is present. It does not show blue-black color. And in which no KOH, it shows the blue-black color. It means KOH. The important thing is KOH. What KOH do? KOH absorb the carbon dioxide present in a jar. KOH absorb the carbon dioxide present in a jar, so that no photosynthesis takes place in a first potted plant. No photosynthesis takes place in this. And in this case, iodine test shown that photosynthesis takes place. It shows carbon dioxide is necessary for the photosynthesis. Now we need other raw materials for building their body. Water used in photosynthesis taken by the soil, carbon dioxide from atmosphere. Other materials like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron and magnesium are taken up through the soil. Nitrogen is also an essential element because it is used in the synthesis of the protein. It is taken in the form of inorganic nitrates or nitrites. Right? I think this is all about the autotrophic nutrition. We start the second type of nutrition, that is heterotrophic nutrition. As we read, heterotrophic nutrition is of three types. First one is saprophyte, second one is parasite, third one is holozoic. What is saprophytes? They take their food from the dead and decaying materials. Examples are fungus like bread molds, yeast and mushroom. Now, second type is parasites. They take their nutrition from the other plants or animals without killing them. The important is without killing them. Examples of this is kaskata, also commonly known as amarbel, ticks, lice, सर में जुएं हो जाती हैं, leeches and tapeworms. And third type of nutrition is holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition, when someone takes complex food material inside the body and convert into simpler food into their body, then this type of nutrition is known as holozoic nutrition. In all animals like cow, zebra, elephant, also us, also amoeba, show the holozoic type of nutrition. Now, steps involved in the holozoic type of nutrition. Steps in holozoic nutrition. The first one is ingestion. Ingestion means taking the complex food material inside your body. Second one is digestion. The taking food material is digested inside the body. Third one is absorption. The digested food, simpler foods, is absorbed by the body. And fourth one is assimilation. Assimilation, the absorbed food is reached to the every cell of the body. And fifth one is egestion. The remaining waste is removed from the body. Right? It means steps in the holozoic nutrition. First, ingestion, taking up the complex food material. Digestion, this complex food material digested into the body. Third, absorption, is digested food is absorbed by the body. Assimilation, this absorbed food is transported to every cell of the body, and waste of the body and remaining waste of the body is removed from the body, that is egestion. This is all for today.